Hi, my name is Klavs Inspector today. I inspected this X6 for you. It's 2023 model. It is insurance Cat and write-off. Regards to visuals, right, and regards to sort of structural sound, a vehicle haven't been involved in a sort of significant accident. I've seen the pictures. It's on the right side. It catch the central reservation line, and there's been scratch hole on all right side. So the vehicle have. Regards to scratches and small dings and dents, it's in excellent condition for the insurance write-off category cars, right? Nothing on this side. That left wing has been resprayed. Front bonnet, everything here on this side is fine. And then this door, this wing has been resprayed. There are obviously visible filler runs visible on all of the resprayed parts, right? But it's insurance write-off, and they will never be done to the excellent sort of standard. So same old parts being repaired. Regards to alloys, they are fine with some marks. Tyres are fine. They none run flat. So with the structures and paint, I'm satisfied. Interior is in good condition. The service is due in 2,400 miles. Suspension is fine. I noticed there is a leak on the right side developing from the differential. The left side has a bit of play on the differential. Prop shaft, the grease slightly starts coming out at the back of the prop, and at the front there is also sort of from heat leak, so that side needs to be monitored. So I would recommend to advise the BMW is still under warranty. Let's see what they're going to say. On the road test, I will see if there's any noise coming from the front differential. So far, at the moment, as vehicle stands, there is no reason to reject the vehicle. Any other information, drivability issues, I will add it in a report once I will fill up the report. Thanks for using us.